Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your mobile. So this actually is good if you're playing a first person game. So alright, let's start. So from your PS4, you activate the Bluetooth mode, search device by clicking this PS4 logo and the shared button. So press together at the same time. Alright, once you see this blinking light, you can just release it for both. Then we try to go to my phone. So basically here, go to Bluetooth settings. Try to scan. So once the Bluetooth request, there is a confirmation here, you just press OK, then that's it, you're connected. As you can see here, the light will goes to blue LED light, so it means you're connected. So for example, I go back here, just press 0. So since this is connected, I can actually use this to play games using this remote control to my mobile. In order for you to verify if this is working, you see I'm pressing left or go to this function. Yep. So basically, if I want, for example, to go here, so yeah, hope this tutorial will help you guys. It's really good if, for example, you play a first person game. You can actually use this method instead of playing using the screen. You just play using this. Just put this one to your stand or something you're comfortable with. Then yeah, you can actually play using this remote. So hope this helped guys, and thank you for watching.